am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and this is my new Rebecca Mail. So Rebecca Mail, which I've been reviewing for a while now, used to be a monthly box, but now they are going to be a quarterly box. So this is the first box of the new thing, the new run, whatever you want to call it. So this is evidently the winter box. So it says celebrate winter on there, and I am really excited to see what's in here. I have no idea what sort of changes there will be made to the actual contents, you know, because I think they basically just wanted to keep it the same thing, maybe add a few more things to it, and just, you know, make it a less frequent box. Okay, so very lovely, very lovely. A big card. Stay tuned. Our Celebrate Spring box comes out in April. And Rebecca Mail also has a snail mail box, which is just like stationery stuff, cards and whatnot, that you can also subscribe to. Wow, this is like a fancy new way of telling you what's in here. Pictures and everything. Okay, so it says, until further notice, celebrate everything. Welcome to the brand new limited edition Rebecca Mail Deluxe Quarterly Lifestyle Box. Each year we will pick a theme for the year, and this year's theme is celebrate everything. Oh, that's cool, okay. First up is celebrate winter. It may be cold outside, but with the items tucked inside your box, you will be able to embrace the cold, short days in style. Enjoy, Rebecca. Okay, cool. Oh, I like that they have like a year-long theme. That's interesting. Okay, so the first thing in here, this is cute. It's pretty big too. I'm gonna have to frame that and put it somewhere. Oh, and then a cute little card, donut on it. Celebrate everything. Very cute. Ooh, is this a scarf? Oh, wowza-rooney. One of these super soft deluxe crossweave infinity scarves in either navy, burgundy, or peacock. Retail value, $24.99. This is beautiful, and I love this navy color. This is awesome, I love it. I love infinity scarves, and this is so like just soft and big, chunky, squishy. It feels all cozy. I love it, super cute. I'm gonna get really hot here in a second, but I'm gonna wear that for just a mo. Stash tea sampler. Oh, I've had stash teas before, they're really good. There's like a chamomile and orange spice black tea, and then something in the middle. I don't know, I can't see. But anyway, tea, always good and definitely cozy. A kind bar. This is the popped ones. I prefer the nut and fruit ones, I guess, you know, if you've seen those. These ones have a lighter texture to them, but they're still good. I like kind. Pearlized circle barrette. Oh, that's cute. Let's see if I can put this in my hair so you can see it. There we go. Cute. Oh, that's really cute. I like it a lot. Okay, my hair looks a little bit weird right now, but that's okay. That's okay. Pomegranate facial mask. Ooh, I love me some sheet masks. That looks fun. Love it. Love it. What is this? Is this a tumbler? Swig 20-ounce tumbler. Copper-coated inner walls. BPA free. Push seal lid. Stainless steel, double-walled and vacuum sealed. Hot up to 12 hours, cold up to 24 hours. Okay, and it just has like a pop top with a little drinky spout. Nice. And then the last thing in here is a very cute little box. Ooh, earrings. Look at those. Those are cute, right? Those are really cute. That's cute, right? I love it. I feel all fancy and cozy and wintry. Well, this is a fun box. I definitely feel a little bit of like a quality upgrade, you know, just feels a little bit bigger, a little bit better, but definitely the same type of Rebecca Mail. So it hasn't really changed much in the way that they do things. They've just kind of upped their game a little bit. So this is awesome. I'm really excited. I cannot wait to see what is going to be in the next box. I'm gonna have to wait until April. But anyway, I love it. Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box where you can sign up for Rebecca Mail. It's a different Rebecca, not me, Rebecca. This isn't my box. I just love getting these boxes. And I kind of feel like it's specially for me because my name's on it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!